Hey, oh, hey, alright. Aldi. Garlic herb pork bar. 6 mini there. $1.99 from Aldi. Garlic. There it is, look. 300 grams. £1.99. 6 little mini garlic and herb pork bars. Let's have a look here. Let's get one out. And that plate there. Old plate. You can smell garlic straight away. There's no doubt about that. I'm just going to go straight in here. I'm not messing about. Soft. Pastry's soft. That pastry's soft. There's no crunch whatsoever there, but that garlic. If you like garlic, you're going to like these. Assuming you like pork pies. Bit more. There's no crunch to that pastry. I like a bit of crunch to my pork pie pastry. You want to feel that crunch. There's none there. It's all about the garlic here. There's a slight bit of herbs there. But it's all about that garlic. I like the garlic. I'll tell you what. You see there. Nutrients and ingredients there. There it is. Not zooming in right. There it is. Something very unusual here. Which you don't get at Lidl. They're in a tray. Look at this. There's a tray there. You don't get that in Lidl. Tray. Same price though. It's all about that garlic. There's no getting away from that garlic there. I expected garlic, but it's all about that garlic. The pastry there is soft. Soft, no crunch. You know what I like to do? When you're not buying branded stuff, you've got to. More than one. When you're buying branded, it's all about consistency. That's what you're paying for. Bit of extra there. Let's have a crack of this bit here. I'll have another one. No. Oh, hang on. There's a little bit of crunch on base there. Right there. I've bit into that. That's the only part where there were crunch in that pastry. 8th of July, so no excuse for that pastry being as soft as it is. You want crunch on your pork pie? Gotta be crunchy pork pie pastry, eh? There's a little bit more crunch on that pastry now. But the overrider, and we all know what it is. I've already said it. You've got to like your garlic here. There's no getting away from it. Forget about them herbs. It's all about that garlic. I like my garlic, but it's overriding everything else. Bit dry and all. It's a bit dry, this pork pie here. No crunch to that pastry. It's dry. Overriding garlic. I said it before. I like my garlic, but it's overriding here. It's overriding that garlic. pastry's still soft. This is the second one now. Now, you've got soft pastry, overriding garlic. The garlic is overpowering everything. You can't pick up any herbs whatsoever. It's dry. I'll tell you what it needs. Hey, I'll tell you what it needs. We're all about that. Let's get it out. No messing here. Let's get it out. See if it improves the situation there. Bit of Branston pickle. Bit of Branston pickle. That'll sort it all out. Not much left here. Should just be enough though. Just enough there. Just enough Branston pickle there. Bit of Branston pickle. That'll sort it out alright. Get that knife in there. I don't want all that there. Bit of pickle on there. Just to dilute that garlic. Let's have a look. It's all about that Branston pickle. That sorts that garlic out instantaneously. That garlic's disappeared now. It's all about that Branston pickle. Let's have a crack. You can't beat that. Can't beat that Branston pickle. Totally takes away that garlic. I like my garlic, but there's too much garlic there. You can't taste anything but garlic. Now what we've got is Branston pickle. Branston pickle. Garlic and herb pork pies. That Branston pickle. Now take away it away. I ain't tasting any. Oh, hang on. Yeah, there's a bit of garlic coming through. That Branston pickle. I like my garlic, but there's too much garlic there. It's all you can taste. Until I put my old Branston on. Took away most of that garlic and it's absolutely magnificent now. Not going to have any more. I've had two. Two's enough here. Nice tray there. Don't get that way Lidl. Actual tray. Same price as Lidl. $1.99 for 6 mini pork pies here. But the garlic, it's all about this garlic. I like garlic. I do like my garlic. But you can't taste anything but garlic here. Even herbs aren't coming through. Luckily enough, I had Branston pickle. That took all that garlic away. That sweet pickle there. Sorted issue out. I'm going to give these dry, not crunchy pastry at all. Garlic, herb pork pies. I'm going to give them. Nice tray. I like the tray. You don't get that in Lidl. But I'm going to give them bang average. 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10 there. They're too dry. The pastry's not crispy at all. It's all about that garlic. You can't taste anything but garlic. There's too much garlic there. Branston saved day. Bit of Branston on top of them. You don't need to worry about garlic because it gets rid of it. I like my garlic. What did I say? 5 out of 10. Stick with others. Barbecue pork pies from Lidl. Right. Cheerio.